Cortana found her way onto Windows phones in early 2014, and when you carry her around in your pocket, reminders and notes make a lot of sense. But her implementation on Windows 10 isn't nearly as applicable to everyday computer use, and there are a lot of issues that prevent her from functioning at full efficiency. The most glaring issue is her over-reliance on Bing as a news and interest aggregator. The trending topics on Bing have headlines that are so short, it's hard to tell what they mean. $1.5 million water fine, one headline inquires next to a picture of a man by a fence. Luxury travel for pets, another shouts from underneath a pool. Even integrated apps like Yelp and Stocks typically end up sending you to a Bing search page for related topics. At least Cortana's a good listener. Even in a crowded office, the ambient noise doesn't prevent her from hearing you speak well, assuming you say the right things. Her syntax is limited, so a statement like, "How do I get to Breakside Brewery on Main Street?" opens the Maps app for directions, while "Where is Breakside Brewery?" will result in a Bing search. There's a bit of leeway there, but it seems that Cortana is looking for keywords like photos or directions, and then finding context around them. You can also ask her to remind you to stop by the dry cleaners, play your favorite Kanye album, check the sports scores, or find showtimes for a movie, at least theoretically. In reality, it's tough to find the right words to trigger any of these events within the dashboard. The majority of the time, she just searches for what you said, word for word, on Bing. You should also be able to simply say, "Hey Cortana," while sitting at a computer to issue a voice command. Much to the dismay of our coworkers, we tried a number of times and were never able to actually make the feature work. That means for Cortana to listen to you, you have to click into her menu, then click the microphone button. At that point, you might as well just open the browser and search for it yourself. Her explanation feature is a useful tool if you're already in Edge. Highlighting a word or phrase and right-clicking brings up a context menu with the Cortana option. Again, clicking it usually just provides a Bing search, but does so in a sidebar on the right side of your browser window. That's usually good enough with a Wikipedia summary or a top link for more reading readily available. Cortana would be an ideal platform for completing small side tasks without looking up from what you're doing, like checking movie times while sending an email, or setting a reminder while perusing Facebook. Instead, almost anything you try to have her help you with would be easier if you just clicked on it yourself. The interface is well thought out, and the voice recognition is excellent, but the whole system is spoiled by an over-reliance on Bing and a failure to contextualize voice commands.